And new at 5, the gender wage gap in Utah typically ranks among the highest in the nation. And a new report released today from researchers at Utah State University shows not much is changing. ABC4's Northern Utah correspondent Kate Garner has that story.
Unfortunately, with our pay gap, not much has changed.
Suzanne Madsen is one of 4 authors to write a report called Utah Gender Wage Gap, a 2021 update. This report coming about 4 years after the last one.
We want to make sure when we get this out that it really is the latest data, that from different perspectives, employers and state and people who know how to do census data.
Madsen says women in Utah make about 30% less than men. Nationally, women make around 18% less, adding, Utah almost always ranks last for gender wage pay. Madsen says there are a few major factors that play into this, including the social structure.
We actually have more of a traditional society. We have more distinct roles between men and women, and some of those things really do play into wider gaps.
Madsen says research shows some of these roles mean Utah women who do go into the workforce are less likely to get graduate degrees, pursue higher wage careers, and are less likely to negotiate a salary.
When we do, then there's pushback from men and women. Like, why are they asking for more? That's kind of selfish. So it's interesting. It's not an easy topic.
She says to change this, public perception, business practices, and state policy will have to change.
And we need to change not just for women, but for children and for families and for our society.
She says the pay gap only gets worse for women of color and single mothers, and both these demographics are growing in the state.
And if you're a single mother in the state of Utah, 40% of you will be living in poverty. 40%.
That, she says, sets up the next generation for failure. In Logan, Kate Garner, ABC4 News.